Alright, what's good YouTube? Today I'm going to show you how to solve this error right here. Couldn't sync your saved data due to a conflict. Now, normally if this pops up, it's because your data is not being synced to the cloud storage or either to your console storage. So we're going to figure out how to fix that today. I'm not going to make this video super long because it doesn't need to be super long. So what you're going to do is you're going to go to your settings, scroll down to save data in game/app settings, and then you're going to go to save data PS5. Then you're going to hit sync save data, view sync status. Now in here, it's going to have whatever game you're playing. It's not going to have the auto save feature on, so you have to turn it back on. Then once you do that, you'll just hit the button to sync your storage, and then you just hit OK. Now we're gonna check to see if this saved because I simmed through a game and for some reason it's not saving. So we're gonna check this out right now to make sure everything's okay. All right guys, so we're in here. Let's go to our player game, and it worked. So I had simmed through this game right here, the New York Knicks game, and apparently it saved. So now I can just go to my team practice and keep on going from there. So I hope this helped you guys out. Hopefully you guys get the issue solved. If that doesn't work, I will contact PlayStation support if you can get in touch with them. But yeah, that's about it. See you guys later.